Hello all, welcome to ECED 3041 Developmental Literacy Lab. Each week on Sundays, I will be posting a video, basically a quick overview of the week for you, and it will be located under Instructors Announcements. All right, here we go. Be sure to check out the GPS student resources. That's where you can find the APA style guide if you have questions about APA. So check there. Here are the texts. And I apologize if you are also enrolled in ECED 3043. Much of the content is the same, but not all of it. So if you're hearing this again, I apologize. Here are the rubrics for each video. Well, maybe. Here is we'll go back to rubrics. This is the parent permission form that you will need to have completed for the student that you're going to tutor over the next 8 weeks. The video guidelines. Please be sure that you read these completely. Your videos need to be submitted no later than Saturday at 11:59 p.m. for the week that they are due. For each day they are late, it's a 5-point deduction. I highly recommend that you upload it to YouTube a few days early if possible, so that if there's any technical problems, you can get those taken care of. I will do my best to help you, but many times I can't help you and you need to call MVNU for tech support. Think about when you are creating your video, the professionalism, the quality, the length of the video. It should just be between 5 and 10 minutes in length. Please don't go over 10 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, I stop. So otherwise, I would be watching videos and that's all I'm going to get done and never read any of your discussion forums or anything. If you have questions, please ask. Okay, here we are to week 1. And week 1 is talking about the balanced literacy framework. I want you to think back and remember about when you were learning to read and write. Depending on our backgrounds, some of us learned to read with Dick and Jane. Others were surrounded by trade books. Some had a balanced literacy program. Well, in this unit, you're going to explore your own background and beliefs on early literacy learning and find your own pedagogical middle ground based on the course readings. At the end of the week, you will be able to explain the balanced literacy framework as it relates to your grade level focus. And you're going to be using the guided reading text by Fountas and Pinnell. Again, here are your video guidelines. Reading assignment is chapters 1, 2, and 3 in guided reading, and also check out the Olentangy District's Balanced Literacy Framework by clicking here. The week 1 rubric. And each week I have posted the rubric for the video. So the basic use of YouTube and the expectations from the course, that's what you're scored on. You need to select your student to tutor. Once you have selected a student, please affirm your selection here. Make sure that you have completed the parent permission and you have attached it within this forum. Here is the parent permission. And here are the assignments due by the week. Week 1, you have an introduction video worth 20 points. The remainder of the videos are worth 40 points. Your final project is worth 100 points. Your final project is due on Friday of the final week by 11:59 p.m. This way, if there's technical issues, you still have 24 hours to submit your work. I cannot accept work after the last night of class. Now, many of you are enrolled in 3043. So you may use the information that you wrote for the discussion forum as a springboard for your video. There's no need to do additional research. I want all of you to do well, and if you have questions, please email me and ask. Thanks. Have a great weekend.